Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to see the Barbie movie. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my mini me dressed. I'm already dressed. I'm wearing this sweater that has the Barbies on it, and then I have a tank top underneath that's the same, because you guys know the movies are cold. So I wore that and I got the shirt to go underneath it yesterday in Target. So I'm super excited. I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and get my mini me dress and we can talk a little bit. Okay, so if you guys are new here, this is my mini me doll and my name is Katrina, if I didn't say it in the beginning. So yeah, so this is what she's wearing so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her dressed. She's wearing the gingham dress that I made in a previous video that I'll put in the corner screen right here, what that video looks like, so you guys can check it out. I'm super excited for the movie. I cannot wait. I've been waiting for the longest for it to come out and I'm super excited. So yeah, so let me know in the comments if you guys like the movies. Don't give spoilers, that's not nice, don't do that. So yeah, so that's what we're going to go do. I bought the tickets on Friday and it was packed. Like I was trying to get like Saturday or the day of, and oh my goodness, like I had to go for Sunday because I need good seats and I like seats towards the edge, so because I don't like walking across people when I have to go to the bathroom. Let me know if you guys are the same when you guys go to the movies. But yeah, sorry, I wasn't trying to show my doll nude. But yeah, so here we are. It's Sunday and my showing time is for 12:15, so that's the time we're going. So I'm trying to get there a little early so I could get some shots of mini me and me in front of the the playing now sign for the Barbie movie. I'm going to Regal. I'm not going to AMC because AMC was so expensive. Let's talk about that, because the one ticket was like $16 and that was during matinee. I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm going to Regal, and yeah, so we're gonna go to Regal and watch the Barbie movie. And let me know if you went to AMC. I know AMC had like a lot of exclusive stuff, but I don't really care about that. I mean, I would love it if I go and they have pink popcorn where I'm going, but it's okay if they don't. I just want to see the movie. That's all I care about. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pants on. So let me go ahead and finish getting her dressed and I'll show you guys how she looks so you guys can see the full outfit. All right, so my doll is fully dressed. Look at her. Does she look cute? I was thinking about dressing like full like gingham, but then I'm like, it's the movies. I want to be comfortable and enjoy, and I like to dress relax for the movies. But Mini Me is doing the cosplay for me and I love it. So she also has this mini fashions purse that she's gonna have with her as well. I'm gonna go ahead and find her mini popcorn, or I'm going to find her a popcorn, because I know I have a lot of Barbie popcorn. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I have, and then yeah, so I'm gonna meet you guys at the movies. So I'm back and it was so amazing. I'm not gonna spoil anything for you guys, but definitely highly recommend. I laughed, I cried, I felt all the emotions, and it just made me feel even more proud to be part of the doll community, and I really love it. Like, if it really is for everybody. Like, if they say, like, if you don't care for Barbie, you're gonna like this movie. If you absolutely love Barbie, you're going to absolutely love this movie. And you know, if you just don't even know about Barbie, you're gonna love this movie. It's just so good, and I give it a 10 out of 10 in my opinion, of course. So I want to show you guys some Barbie stuff that I did purchase over the weekend. So I did pick up fashion packs from Walmart. So I got this stripe fashion pack from Walmart. I will put a video in the corner of the screen of my doll modeling the clothes. I'm trying a new way of showing you guys my doll modeling the clothes, like showing her full body next to me in a split screen. So let me know if you guys like that in the comments down below. We'll do try on hauls like that from now on. But I love this striped dress, and I love the shades that it comes with. It's so cute, and then it comes with a jelly bag, and it's so pretty. And I love that Barbie is doing these dresses now, because I really like this style of dress. I think it's very cute and flattering to the body, and I think it looks so good on my doll, and I absolutely love this. And then I ended up getting another new fashion pack, because they are coming out with like new fashion packs for Ken and Barbie. I really want the varsity jacket for Ken, the red one. I'm looking for that one, so I do want to get that one. But I also got the floral print 2-piece set, which I think is super cute. Definitely going to be using this in photography. This is the one that I really like the most for Barbie that just came out. This one and the one I showed you previously. And my doll looks so cute in this outfit, and absolutely love this. I love the little flowers, and I love all the colors, and it comes with a cute little headband with a tie on the top. So I think that is absolutely cute. Then I got this fashion pack that comes with a scrunchie, and then you get these slides, and then there's a Barbie pillow, and then you get kind of like a cat purse. There's an alarm clock. There's a whole bunch of stuff. A sleep mask, which I actually was looking for a sleep mask for my doll, and I didn't see anything that was part of any type of like fashion pack till now with the face mask. Probably I'm late to the game, because you guys know I'm really into the fashion more for my dolls right now, because honestly, I like my collector dolls, so those are usually the ones I usually purchase a lot. And I get some playline items every now and then, but I really do love this pack, and I think it's just so cute, all the stuff it comes with. And it also comes with a teacup, and it's so cute, all these little accessories, and I cannot wait to use them. Okay, and so from Five Below, I found this sticker book, and it's a Barbie sticker book, and it says Barbie super stickers, Barbie throughout the decades. So it shows like all the history of Barbie, and it also shows like, it has all these stickers in the back. Let me show you guys. So it has all these stickers in the back, and then throughout the paper, and it has more here in the middle. And then throughout the whole activity book, you put like the history of Barbie if you like. Me personally, I might fill this out because I kind of like how it is. So I do kind of want to match the stickers as an activity book to have it as a book. So I can have a book of the history of Barbie. So it's actually really cool if you want a cheaper version of the history of Barbie throughout the years, and it has little play sets in the background that you can add stickers to, and I absolutely love it so much. And so that is it for my review for the Barbie movie, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, you know. And if not, then you know, that's okay, but I had a really good time. So like always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.